Thank you for joining me. George Mwanyamami from Tech Talks Zambia once again. Today I'm going to be replacing a screen for the Samsung A21S. So I'll talk about the procedure which is supposed to be followed when one is replacing a screen for a smartphone like this one. Then I also talk about on how to deassemble this phone, how to assemble it back, and also how to test the same screen after buying, because you know most of the shops here in Osaka don't give a guarantee when it comes to screens. So normally a technician has to ensure that before they get that screen, they test it properly and see to it that it works, so that it does not disappoint the owner of the phone or the client. This is the Samsung A21S. So what you need for this repair, you need an OTR station, and you also need a tool like this one, and also something like this. First thing first, apply a bit of it on the back cover, and you have to ensure that the heat shouldn't be too much, because if it's too much you might end up spoiling the entire phone. Just ensure that the amount of heat you apply does not harm your fingers. If it is safe for your skin, then it is also going to be safe for the phone. Then I can get rid of this one. So before lifting it up, make sure that you place a finger here on the fingerprint sensor, so that you don't affect the other cable inside. Yeah, because if you just pull it up, you might end up cutting this cable here. So when you're lifting it up, make sure that you place a finger here, so that you don't affect this fingerprint sensor here. Yeah, so this is how the phone looks like after removing the back cover. So this is the back cover. I'm going to be using this screwdriver here to remove all the screws, and for me to avoid displacing these screws, I'll be putting them here. Next, disconnect the fingerprint sensor from the phone. Then proceed by removing this cover here, but before you do that, you need to disconnect the SIM tray from the phone. And I'm also going to apply a bit of it so that I can remove the screen from the phone. So again, you want to be gentle here when applying the heat, and just ensure that the same heat that you are applying on the phone can't also harm your skin. Then your phone is going to be safe. Otherwise, if the heat is too much, you might just bring about some more other problems to your phone, which is not supposed to be the case. Yeah, so I sent someone to go and get me a screen, and this is a new screen that I'm going to be fitting. And just before I apply any glue on this screen, I have to test it and see to it that the screen is working properly, because should it give me a problem, I can't return this screen. So I have to test it and see to it that the screen is working properly to the expectations of my client. What is supposed to be done is that it is supposed to be tested first before you even apply any glue on the screen. So we are going to test it and ensure that the screen is working properly. I'm going to connect this cable here, the other cable as well.